Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be telling you what happened to promoting sounds. So what exactly happened? That's what you're going to be asking me. Well, their channel got hacked and deleted, and someone just didn't like their channel or something, and they wanted it deleted fully, and they got it in and removed everything of their stuff, which is kind of mean. But if you have Instagram, then you can see that they said to everyone that they got hacked. And do not fall for these scams. Wait, let me skip to when it will happen. Don't fall for Don't fall for these scams. These aren't real promoting sounds account. They might be promoting actual sounds, but they're not the actual promoting sounds.